Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while here. I think the last time I posted was 1 month ago, and that is because I'm serving right now. I'm sure you guys are aware because I actually posted something concerning that on my YouTube channel. For those of you that have served before will know that combining NYSC with any other work is not easy. My work at my PPA is quite demanding, so I hardly have time for myself, but I've come up with a plan to balance the two. So I'm going to be more active henceforth. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new machine because I didn't want to waste this service here without achieving anything. So I decided to get a sewing machine here so that I can post something out there for you guys even while I'm serving. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you guys how much I bought my new machine. It's not really new, it's a fairly used, and I'm also going to tell you guys how much a new machine costs in the market right now. So this is me roaming around the market looking for machine from one shop to another, because getting to the market I discovered that the price of a new machine was above my budget, right? So I was just looking for an affordable one, so I was just going from one shop to another. I initially wanted to get a new butterfly, but when I got to the market, my brother and my sister, the price of a new butterfly manual sewing machine changed my mind. So I had to go for an affordable one. I later wanted to buy Two Lion because that one was more affordable, more cheaper than the new butterfly. That one was 140,000 naira, but a lot of people said I should rather go for a second hand, a fairly used butterfly, right? They said I should go for it because butterfly sewing machine is way stronger than Two Lion, even the new one. They also say butterfly sewing machine can sew any kind of material at all, unlike the Two Lion. But I don't know how true it is because I've not used Two Lion before. So I later settled for the fairly used butterfly. So this is it right here. So this is it, guys. This is what I settled for, and as at when I bought this, I bought it at the rate of 95,000 naira. You can imagine, fairly used of butterfly, I bought it at the rate of 95,000 naira. The new one of butterfly sewing machine in the market right now costs about 170,000 naira, and the Two Lion costs about 140,000 naira. As of 2021, I think new butterfly was 70,000 naira. So you can imagine the huge difference. This is how bad our country is. This is how bad our economy is. You buy something of 10 naira today, you go to the market tomorrow, it has rise up to 100 naira. But what can we do? Man must work, man must chop. So this is how bad our economy is. So I bought this at a rate of 95,000 naira, fairly used. So, but thank God for provision. I'm still grateful that I got this. So I pray that God bless the work of our hands so that we don't labor in vain. So guys, you guys should congratulate me for my new machine. Is not easy at all. You know how country is hard now. You know how hard the country is now. It's not easy. It's not even easy to see that 95,000 naira. So it's God all the way. I give God all the praise for provision and everything. So like I said earlier, I'm going to be more active now that I've gotten my machine and all that. I'm going to be more active henceforth, and I urge you guys to please subscribe to my channel. If you have not done that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Be part of the family, help me grow. And thank you so much, my returning subscribers, those that have been there from day one and they are still there supporting me. I really appreciate you all. I'm not taking the love for granted. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, so if you are in need of a sewing machine, I pray that God provide for you as well. God bless you and bless the work of your hands. Even the Bible says that anyone who is diligent in his work, he will shall say before kings and not before mean men. So I pray heaven bless our hustle. So I forgot to mention earlier, I bought this on the 17th of April 2024. So I guess the price depend on where you are buying it from, who you are buying it from. So do well to comment the price of a new machine at your area or in your area, whichever one. So guys, this is it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.